In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AdCreative AI to repurpose content for ads, transforming your existing material into high-performing ads in no time. Whether you're a digital marketer or a business owner, this software is designed to save you tons of time and effort. Stick around till the end for some exclusive bonuses, including how you can use the software completely free, so don't miss that. Let's jump straight into it. If you've ever struggled with creating ad creatives that perform well, you know it can be a massive drain. AdCreative AI solves that problem by using AI to generate multiple high-quality, optimized ad creatives in seconds. This isn't just about tweaking your existing ads. This software can actually help you repurpose old content into new, compelling ads, increasing your ROI without starting from scratch. You can start by uploading any content you've already created, whether it's a video, image, or even just text. From there, AdCreative AI uses machine learning to analyze the content and generate ad creatives that are tailored for your specific audience and platform. It automatically adjusts your content into variations that work best for Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, and more. What's impressive is how AdCreative AI allows you to maintain brand consistency while optimizing for ad performance. So even though you're repurposing existing content, you won't lose your brand identity. Your ads will still look professional and on brand, but with the added benefit of AI optimization. You don't need to be a graphic designer or a video editor to get stunning results. The AI handles it all for you, pulling in the best elements from your existing content and making adjustments that improve its performance. One of the most powerful features is the ability to test different variations of your ad. You can upload one piece of content and let AdCreative AI generate multiple ad formats, each designed to appeal to different segments of your audience. This means you can test multiple angles and creatives without having to create everything from scratch. The platform also gives you performance insights based on data and analytics. So as your ads run, AdCreative AI learns what's working best and keeps fine-tuning your creatives for maximum results. This is crucial if you want to stay ahead of your competition and continually optimize your ad spend. If you're new to AdCreative AI, you might wonder how this all fits into your workflow. It's incredibly easy to integrate with your existing campaigns. Just link your accounts from platforms like Facebook Ads or Google Ads, and you can start creating and testing ads directly within AdCreative AI. Plus, you can manage all your creative assets in one place, making it easier than ever to keep your campaigns organized. Now, here's a bonus. If you're looking to get started without any financial commitment, you can try AdCreative AI for free. Yes, completely free, through the link in the description below. On top of that, we've got exclusive bonuses that will help you get even more value from your trial. By now, you should have a clear idea of how AdCreative AI can transform your content into effective ads. And remember, the AI doesn't just repurpose your content, it helps you optimize it for better results every single time. To recap, AdCreative AI is an amazing tool for anyone looking to get more from their existing content. It saves you time, improves your ad performance, and helps you scale faster. Don't forget to use the exclusive link below to get your free trial and start using this powerful software today.